this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to solve a problem that, for example, in this image, I have a landscape design which has stairs, concrete stairs. Now, in my project, the only way to show the front of the project was to place the sun in the front, because it wouldn't be good to show this area in a shadow, in the shadows. So I had to, even though in reality it's not like that, I had to use two materials, and one of them was applied to the horizontal surfaces, like floors, and the other material is applied to the vertical surfaces of the stairs. Now I used the same texture for both, but one of them was color corrected, so it was a little bit darker. So I'll show you how it's done, and it's not by selecting all the surfaces that are horizontal and then select all the vertical surfaces and apply different materials. So let me show you how it's done. So I applied this new material which has no textures, and the way to solve it is to use the Falloff map. So let's add a Falloff to the diffuse slot or the diffuse channel. Select, if you don't have it in your favorites, Falloffs from the maps general. So at the moment we have the same material applied to both the surfaces that are horizontal and the vertical ones. The solution is very simple. First, let's change the colors to red and blue or red and green. Let's select blue. Okay, so let's, instead of the blue, let's change it to green. Dark one. So what you see here, it's not because of the distinction that I want to make, it's just because of the sun angle. But what I want to do is I'm going to the Falloff type, and I'm going to use the the towards and away. And now you see that it's the same color, but the trick is go into the Falloff direction and select the world z-axis, and once I release my mouse, it will apply the red color to the horizontal surfaces, and the green, although it looks a little like orange one, it's a green one, and it will apply it to the vertical. So if I switch, you see, red and green. So what you can do now is just apply, and I will actually show you the prepared material because it's just a simple trick. So I have this, I used the same concrete material, and in the other slot I used a color corrected version of the same concrete map, and I just reduced the brightness. So if I will apply this one to the floor, you can see the distinction. Also, I added a bump map on the river material that will make the faces look as if they have a fillet or chamfered look. So if I uncheck, you see it's a sharper edge of the stairs, but I will return it now. So this is a very simple trick, very convenient in these cases, so that you don't have to select, or if you change the geometry, reselect and then make sure every face is using the correct material. So using one material solves the problem.